Snow blanketing a rural area in Portales, New Mexico is shown. A few bare trees as well as a picnic table can be seen in the distance. Text on screen reads, "Being prepared, winter weather." Video by the National Weather Service in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Clay Anderson, lead forecaster, appears on screen in front of a stucco background. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration logo and the National Weather Service logo are behind him on the left.
Hi, my name is Clay Anderson and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Winter storms are dangerous as they create a higher risk of car accidents, hypothermia, frostbite, and even heart attacks from overexertion. As with any hazard, having a plan before a winter storm happens is important. Winter storms can last days, so take stock of what you have before the storm arrives. Have an emergency kit ready with battery-powered radio, with extra batteries, non-perishable food, bottled water, candles, matches, extra clothing, and blankets.
A snowy scene on a mountain in Socorro, New Mexico is shown. Text overlaying the screen recaps your emergency kit essentials, including a battery-powered radio, extra batteries, non-perishable food, bottled water, candles and matches, extra clothing, and blankets.
Power outages are possible during a winter storm, so gather enough supplies in case you need to stay home for several days without power.
Snow blanketing a rural area in Portales, New Mexico is shown. A few bare trees, as well as a picnic table, can be seen in the distance. Text on screen reads, "What is the difference between a winter storm watch and warning?" Clay appears on screen again in front of a stucco background. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration logo and the National Weather Service logo are behind him on the left.
Know the difference between a watch and a warning.
An example of a winter storm watch that was in effect for northeast New Mexico appears on screen. A winter storm watch is a zone-based product. It is issued at least 24 hours before the event is anticipated.
A winter storm watch is issued in advance of a storm, at least 24 hours. It means that conditions are favorable for a winter storm to occur, but some aspects such as location timing and snow amounts may still be uncertain. This is your notification to prepare and have a plan in place. Start gathering supplies if you haven't already done so. If the event becomes imminent, the watch will be upgraded to a winter storm warning.
An example of a winter storm warning that was in effect for the northern mountains and the Rio Grande Valley appears on screen. A winter storm watch will be upgraded to a winter storm warning as the event becomes imminent. It is also a zone-based product.
A warning indicates a threat to life and property, and travel will become dangerous, if not impossible.
A car traveling down a snow-packed road in Chama, New Mexico is shown. Text on screen reads, "What should I keep in my car in the event of a winter storm?" Clay appears on screen again in front of a stucco background. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration logo and the National Weather Service logo are behind him on the left.
It is best not to travel during a winter storm. If you must travel, do not drive alone and keep an emergency kit in your car in case you get stranded. Be sure to include extra clothing, blankets, non-perishable food, bottled water, antifreeze, a snow scraper, a flashlight, tow chains, and a bag of salt. Keep the gas tank full. If you get stuck, pull over to the side of the road and stay in your car. Even a short walk during a winter storm can be very dangerous, and you can quickly get lost and are at risk of increased hypothermia.
Two people walking down a snow-packed road in the middle of a winter storm in Zuni, New Mexico is shown. Text on screen reads, "When the storm is over, it's safe to go back outside, right?" Clay appears on screen again in front of a stucco background. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration logo and the National Weather Service logo are behind him on the left.
Even after the storm has passed, the danger may not be over. Stay home until travel is safe and take caution when shoveling your sidewalks and driveways, as overexertion is possible. Staying aware of changing weather conditions and following these preparation tips will help ensure that you and your loved ones are safe in the event of a winter storm. Thanks for joining us.
Snow blanketing a rural area in Portales, New Mexico is shown. A few bare trees, as well as a picnic table, can be seen in the distance. Text on screen reads, "Being prepared. Winter weather." Video by the National Weather Service in Albuquerque, New Mexico.